Hey Rush fam, so we are leaving the Melbourne cricket ground. Literally like a minute from the center of half a tree. That's where we're starting the video today. So today is a city drive. So we're driving from here. We're on Courtney Walsh Drive, also called Raymore Road. So this road has two names. It was renamed. So we're driving from here and we're driving up into the Constant Spring area. So you guys stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share. And we know Courtney Walsh, one of Jamaica's most popular and decorated cricketer for the West Indies as well. So this road was named after Courtney Walsh. So from here we're gonna enter Eastwood Park Road. We're gonna take the left and go down Eastwood Park Road, and then we'll go up Constant Spring Road. So you guys enjoy the drive, enjoy the music, grab a seat while we take this city drive together. Motorist broke down just there in front of us, just past Dumbarton Avenue on the left, and then we'll also have Red Hills Road on the left going down, but we're gonna continue on Eastwood Park and then over onto Constant Spring Road. So we are now on Constant Spring Road. We have Merle Grove High School on the left. That blue and yellow perimeter fence you would have just passed. Then we have the Constant Spring Road / Dunrobin intersection. So we're coming up to the intersection for Shartwood Road on the right and Central Avenue on the left. So we have West Avenue to the left and Oaklands community to the right, a mixture of apartment complex and townhouse. I did a video on that community before, so I put the link for the Oaklands community video where I did a drive-through and drone shot as well. So I'll put that in the comments so you guys can see the Oaklands community. So we're at this intersection of Hillman Road, Constant Spring Road and Constant Spring Terrace. And then we have the recently opened Super Value Town Center on the right. That's a very new shopping center right here on Constant Spring Road. Also have multiple videos on it, so I'll put one of the most comprehensive video I did on that complex. I'll put that in the comments as well so you guys can see. So that's the Super Value Town Center on the right. So we have the Constant Spring tax office and the Constant Spring post office on the left, but we have a lot of traffic building up, going up to Manor Park section. So some back-to-back traffic. Alright, so still in some back-to-back traffic. Not sure what's the cause. I'm not sure if there's an accident or something, but it could just be midday traffic as well. Alright guys, so let's continue to enjoy the drive. Alright guys, so we are at the intersection of Cassava Peace Road. So it's the Cassava Peace Road and Constant Spring Road intersection. That's where we're at. The Constant Spring police station is also on the left, and that's the left that we're gonna take. And then probably end the video right over by the Constant Spring police station. So you guys can stay tuned for that. This traffic is not moving, but as I said, we're just gonna take the left here and end the video at the Constant Spring police station. So guys, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, welcome to the Constant Spring police station. Alright, so we'll end the video here.